My name is Elizabeth Metz, and I teach 9th grade Ancient World History at Excel Academy Charter High School in East Boston, Massachusetts, and I am a Milken Educator.
We are going to be presenting a Milken Educator Award, the only one in the state of Massachusetts this year, right here at Excel Academy. Do you want to know who it is? Okay, Secretary Tutwiler, may I have the envelope, please? The Milken Educator Award goes to Elizabeth Metz.
I love you all so much. I wouldn't be the teacher I am without you. I wouldn't be pushing myself to be better outside of school without you. You inspire me every day to come in as my best self, and I'm my happiest when I'm here with all of you.
Teaching isn't just work, it's heart. It's purpose. It's showing up day after day, ready to inspire, ready to challenge, and ready to listen, and of course, importantly, ready to believe in all of you. It's showing up day after day, doing all of this, and we all know that Miss Metz does that with brilliance and with such incredible joy.
What inspires her is her students. She wants to make a difference for students, and when you have a teacher that has that kind of heart, everything else just comes together. And then when you're part of a school that does so much for our students, like I said, there's just magic in the air.
I think it really does open a lot of doors for you, and it makes you think what path are you going to take in this education field and where you want to leave your mark. And for Ms. Metz, I do think that this is going to open a lot of doors for her, a lot of opportunity where she gets to leave a very strong impression. The students that I met from her classroom love how she brings world history to life and makes it very engaging.
She's actually the advisor to NHS, so I not only was able to learn from her in the 9th grade, I was also able to become a better leader. As president of NHS, I've been able to work side by side with her in order to support our members in completing service projects.
Teaching never ends. It's happening in school, it's happening out of school, it's happening on the weekends, it's happening in the summers, because teachers give everything they can, a lot of times unpaid, unseen, unrecognized for their students, because you're teaching the whole child. You're not just teaching the facts or the class, you're teaching them to be a person and how to navigate the world we're living in, and that requires more than just paid hours in a school building.